Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have Amazon Echo Show 8 second generation. The regular price is $129. The price can be varied. I purchased this on for $75. If you are interested in, I can put the link down below. So here are the specifications. It has 8 HD touchscreen, 13 megapixel camera, stereo speakers. So this is the box. Let's unbox it. It's kind of heavy. Let's see what's inside there. We have documentations. We have the power cord. That's it. That's inside the box. And here is this Amazon Echo. Nice wrapping. Just remove it. Remove from here. So here we have the shutter button where you can manually open and close. And the next one is the volume control, volume up, volume down. And the next one is the mute button. And that's that. And on the back we have the power supply, and I believe this is the micro USB. And on the bottom I have the power cable connecting to the power supply. Go through the setup now. Getting your ready device. So now we are done with the setup. Let's just see the home, Alexa home screen. So this is the control panel, where this button you can go home, check home, and this is the settings button. Let's see how it looks like. Click settings. You can change the display brightness here. Adaptive brightness, automatically adjust screen brightness, and leave that on. sunshine effect, adaptive colors, so that display brightness, and you can choose clock and photo displays. Here you have a lot of you can choose this wallpapers. A lot of options. Night mode, auto sleep, let's try with nature. Go back. You can adjust the volume here. Alarm, sound, notifications, that sounds, Amazon Kids, Amazon Privacy, camera, device options, calendar, things to try, help, accessibility. Here are options. So that's basically settings. So since Alexa Echo Show is a smart voice assistant, let's see what Alexa can do. Alexa, what's new?
Hey, here's your news. Live from ABC News.
People being killed in the wars. Folks, VA is doing everything it can, including
so looks like we can
expanding
watch live news
mental health
on
screening,
Echo Show.
proven programs that recruits veterans to help other
Alexa,
veterans understand.
stop. Alexa, play me a song.
Playing your personalized station, my soundtrack, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. So let's watch a movie trailer, right? Alexa, play me Avatar movie trailer.
Here is the trailer for Avatar, The Way of Water.
So this is a HD screen. So this is how it looks like on Echo Show 8 now. You can watch movie trailers. The sound is good.
Dad, I know you think I'm crazy,
Alexa, stop.
but I feel her.
So let's see how the timer looks like. Alexa, set a timer.
Timer for how long?
1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
As you can see, that's how the timer displays on Echo Show. So it's display on top. To get rid of it, click it, and how do you get rid of it? If you go back to home screen, as you can see, it's display here. Just click and then swipe it. So that's the timer. Alexa, set up the alarm tomorrow,
Alarm for what time?
5 a.m.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay. So that's how you set up an alarm. As you can see, it's display on the home screen. Now if you want to cancel the alarm, I believe you need to click it and then cancel alarm. Okay, let's ask some more questions. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why does a baby deer follow its mother?
Why?
Because it's so fond of her.
Okay. Alexa, what is 38 multiply 57?
38 times 57 is 2,166.
So that's Alexa's math skills. What else Alexa can do? So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day. Thank you.